Hi, today I'm using Xiaomi Redmi PADs and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should click to open the app, click yes, I agree, click close, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature. That's 27 degrees in my case. And also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.